Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change the color of a door in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this? Click this icon and select color. Use natural colors. See this? Change color with door and change only door color. Okay, change only door color. First of all, use selection tool and select the door. Minus selection. Okay, then click again this icon with saturation, lock or and click who, then change the color of the door. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.